What's up, guys? My package from lax.com just came in, and I'm going to show you an unboxing video. Kind of hard to cut. Just rip away at it. Got some papers. Keep that. Let's see. My order sheet. Lax.com reward sheet. 15% off my next order and free shipping. Okay, this is just a small video. I got some shooters. Lots of Rasta. Forest green, yellow, and red Rasta shooting strings. I got some blue Canadian hard mesh. Ooh, that's really hard. I'm going to be making my own mesh soon, so this is just mesh for test phases and stuff. I'll post a video on once I'm done. There it is. And the last thing I ordered is some forest green 6 diamond, which I'm selling to a kid that I play box with. Oh, it's actually pretty long. Never seen mesh come this long. Once again, this is shipment from lax.com. Pretty solid website. Every purchase you make gives you free lax points, and you can buy stuff with that. And I have free shipping and 15% off my next purchase. So that's pretty sweet. Okay, I'll see you guys later.